What's up, everybody? We're in JPM. We're doing group break number 6 of SYP Pristine. We are going to go live at 8:43. It's 8:43. We have the team list here, and I need to get a fresh list for the names. Got Samich on top and Grant on the bottom. 30 times, 30 names. We're going 3 times each. Need to get a new list. I always forget to do that. All right, good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Samich is on top, and Grant on the bottom. And now for the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Edmonton on top. And Shocker. All right, I'll scroll through the list. And there you guys have it.